Failures may be a step ahead, but if we continue our struggle with right measures or determination to achieve it, then success is not far away from us. Maybe sooner or later it can be achieved. But if we quit in the middle or in the beginning of the race, then we lose everything in our lives and we term ourselves as losers and deviate to alternative options we have instead of continuing the same. We end up beginning with a new challenge every time once we lose the previous one. Failure has a definition, but in a positive way. Failures are the pillars of success. So keep trying until you succeed the one rather than trying for many. Hey everyone, this is Hema. Today I'm going to share with you few thoughts on what failure means in life and how to overcome or turn failure into success. Everyone might of us have come through many failures in life, and maybe in some or the other way, we all struggle to overcome the failure to achieve our dreams in life. Today I'm going to share with you, or I would like to share few key points on how to take failure as a learning and stream it towards success. In fact, failure is a part of life, can be experimentation or can be due to negligence, and here is why failure can be an opportunity to learn. So the first thing is acknowledge and judge your failures. Maybe you're working towards your goals or dreams or your life's ambition. If you fail for the first time, acknowledge it. Start collating the key things and points which made you to fail. I will share one simple methodology by implementing 5 W's: why, when, where, what and who. Question yourself and analyze the reasons. I'm sure it will give you all the answers. Judge, was it lack of acceptance or competence or you're not getting it right? Keep away all the assumptions and stick to the symptoms which cause the problems and ask why multiple times. Let me add an example here. If you're working in a corporate and your productivity is less and you want to know why it's happening, sit down in a calm mind and ask yourself, was it lack of ability or motivation? And once you find the root cause, work towards it and keep progressing it until you become expertise in it. Now the second thing is learn from the mistakes and do not repeat them. Everyone makes mistakes, but not everyone understands why they have to own their mistakes. At times, we blame other sources instead of self. Owning the mistakes can represent the first step in learning the setback. I want you to remember that every successful people fails a bit or more, then learns, improves and later becomes successful. We'll give a simple example which can give you a better understanding. Every phone maker launches operating system versions throughout the year, but do they develop the first version perfectly? The answer is absolutely not. If they deliver the version 1, they keep on developing the various revisions to fix the bug of the previous version. Unlikely, we are the same. Learn, adapt and change. The next is converge your thoughts. Upon falling many times due to various reasons, it's quite natural that our thought process will change and our mind start depleting the interest towards achieving a goal and we start finding for alternatives. And here is how every individual makes mistake by diverting towards the other alternatives they have. The time and effort which we put in the first place all goes in vain. We need to start from the scratch again. So here is a learning. Stick to the initials even if you fail. Think what went well rather than thinking what went wrong. Converge your thought process with positive mindset, how to crack the code of success. And the last is be patient and be confident. Develop yourself with failures. Work systematically with patience. Develop a daily attitude of practice. You learn something new and useful which in turn makes you strong that you choose openly to face the challenges. Allow your passion to support the changes and improvements in your life. In broader way, patience is the key along with self-confidence. Believe in yourself and never let yourself down. There are many bright examples which you can find on the internet. People who failed many times but at the end they succeeded. Motivate yourself by learning how people failed before they become successful in their lives. Thank you so much for watching. May our content help in motivating everyone, but your self-determination is the key to success.